Well, it rained.
Hi everyone, the sun came out today. So we've got some jobs done and we've got loads more jobs to do. The awning is looking like a hurricane's been through it. This is Mike's territory, so this is for him to clean. I'll do you a before and after. We've done some laundry as well, so yeah, it's get ready for this. So this is the current mess. I don't think I've ever seen it as bad as this, but Mike's got a big tidy up. He's going to get on with that later, and sweep through. He's been cutting the grass, so there's a lot of mess in here. Spam, got to put that away. And then I'll do a clean once he's done his tidy. I've done my first line of stitching. As you know, I was fixing this zip back onto the awning door, so that's looking good. It means we can zip it up now, but I've still got my second line to do. I might choose a miserable day for that. The sun has gone down. Willow's waiting for me with her ball. The sun has gone back in, but I'm just going to show you my tomatoes. You know, I was growing tomatoes. Look at them! Look at that monster tomato plant! So I'm not quite sure why that one's done so well. And look, I've got tomatoes. Look at me growing things, or rather Mike and the neighbour calling. That one's not doing so well, I don't know why. And the pepper plant, oh, let's just get down. It's got some little flowers on there. Where is it? Where is it? There. I've got, I don't know if you can see that tiny little pepper there. I think that's it. Just one pepper from the plant. We're on our way to garden centre. We're going to get something to eat just to make things easy. It does actually looks like there's a storm coming in. So yeah, it's going to rain again. But we've had a little bit of sunshine anyway. Mike's cut all the grass. He managed to get the grass cut. We were going to buy a conifer. The person who had this before us had their shed there or something, and it killed off the part of this hedge. So we're just going to get a little conifer and plant it, and hopefully it'll fill it out. And yeah, it's all looking tidy. This new fence, Mike did this, made this new fence for us, so we don't have to put up with the Isabella thing that was constantly blowing over. Right, I'm going to get in the car.
All that to do, tidy.
Yeah, Mike's got all of this to tidy up yet. I've trimmed the hedge, not that one, but all of here. I did all of that because that was starting to overgrow. Can't quite reach the top, but this is all looking nice and neat and tidy. So we're getting there. We just need the weather. Grace has come from under a blanket, so we're just going to take her for a quick run out. So she's had a run. We'll go to garden centre, get a couple of bits. And we're off. You're going to sit down, Willow? Naughty! This is Willow's sausage roll. Still a bit hot, Willow. Quite nice. Yum yum. What a nice tray.
Okay. Now if it starts raining, we'll have to run home, won't we? You've left your dish outside again. No bone. Anyway. Come on. Salad bar. Bit muddy. Never stopped raining, has it? Still makes everything green. Oh, you're there. Thistles, look. Real Scottish thistles, I believe. Drop a comment, let me know. A bit of the sky. Sorry, this is a bit shaky. Try and hold it steady best I can. Good girl. Part of the walk here goes down to the woods where you won't get a big surprise, if you know what I mean. You'd have to know the Teddy Bear's Picnic song. We've been caught, me and Willow, in a bit of a downpour. See the cows in the background, they don't seem too bothered. But there's bright skies that way, so it's not too bad. We've had some thunder. We might hear a bit of that. Well, it rained This often happens, just runs away. You got it. So today is a big cleaning day. Gonna make it whiter than white, cleaner than clean. I'll show you the top of the caravan in a minute. Cheryl's getting on with hoovering the car out and giving that a good clean. I'll show you the top of the van. It's dirty, dirty. So it's getting a bit cleaner. There's still a lot to do on it. The roof's a bit cleaner. I couldn't reach everywhere. But even with this that I bought specifically for the job, sort of a brush and a stick. But anyway, keep going. Cheryl's nearly finished the car. This really was bad inside, but anyway. And shere's, look, Mrs. Mop.
Mrs. Mop.
Hello.
Mrs. Duster.
Willow's trying to chill, aren't you, Willow?
So it's just taking a bit of doing.
Well, it looks a bit better than it did, but see what that sounds like. Oh. So it's taken me all morning, right? I haven't done a very good job of the roof because I can't reach. And for £70 I could have got the whole thing done by a professional with a jetty squirty washy thing. I'm going for the jetty squishy washing thing next year.
I agree.
Right. Looking, see, still dead. Hello, Willow.
Well, it's looking better than it did.
Yeah, look, you see up there.
Yeah. Did you use the black streak remover?
I did. But of course, there's a gutter to attach an awning, and that's full of black stuff.
Yeah.
It's the rain.
Yeah.
The rain over the last weeks has brought a lot of muck with it. Anyway, let's have a cup of tea.
Cup of tea. So it's moved things around out here. It's starting to look a lot tidier. Put the bins together. The barbecue, we haven't had that out this year yet, surprisingly, unless you want a very wet burger. Tidied up the awning, so I am ready to clean this now. So this is going to get a full clean. There's still a little bit of, I've got my washed things out, things to put away. But yeah, this is all going to get scrubbed and cleaned, and then I've still got the second line of stitching to do, but it's looking very tidy out here. So grass is getting cut.
Hello.
I just noticed that car cover was starting to blow off. The wind was catching it underneath.
Oh, it's okay. Keep it dry.
What's Willow doing?
Getting in my way.
Getting in the way.
She's got a moor just where she stood.
She will always stand where you want to be. If you bring the rugs out to clean, she lays on the rugs. Because she's good like that, aren't you, Willow? Come on. So I'm sorry we haven't had a lot to share with you for this week's video, our week off, but hopefully things will brighten up and we'll get a couple of really good days.
I did the plants.
Oh yes,
Put
Mike's
a tree in.
swapped a couple of plants around. There was a plant in here wasn't doing very well. We had to fence it to protect it from Willow's constantly digging all of this up, but we swapped that one for, let's go and have a look, and hopefully it'll do better, because I think it's supposed to flower and I've yet to see a flower yet. So those have swapped places and we'll see how well that does now. Oh, is she a good girl? Is she a good girl? You can't go out with it. We'll have to go in the van. Come on then. Come on. In there. I've got. Come on. Okay, back in the van. Willow's got her treat. Mike's finishing cutting the grass. So, as I mentioned, not a lot else to do with this one, but I'm going to be doing another video on my catch-up video. I mentioned that I was going to start doing some videos on passive income, so I'm going to start one of those. You'll probably see that maybe on a Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm not sure. I'm going to try and keep it separate from my Sunday ones, which are more about me and everything that I'm getting up to, and weight loss and stuff like that. But thank you for watching anyway. If you liked this, like and subscribe. I'm sorry we didn't have any sunshine for you. We had a nice rainbow. And I'll see you on the next one. Love ya. Bye.